Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, August 28th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated and why I believe it's the perfect business model. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now, and I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, I just absolutely love QuickSilver. All right. This is just a perfect opportunity. And when I say that, I mean that with all my heart. Like I said, I've been doing this for 19 years. I've been with a lot of opportunities over these years, and QuickSilver just does everything the right way, okay? It is scalable, it's newbie friendly, it's proven. They've been in business since 2019 now, and they're very transparent owners. They're continuously improving things for all of us who are involved with this opportunity, and it just keeps getting better and better. And it's simple to do, okay? Now, everything needs, you have to put in the work to get results, but it doesn't get any easier than QuickSilver, okay? And it's a global business. We're in 29 different countries right now, which if you watch my video from yesterday, you see the countries that we're in, but 29 different countries, and the owners are continuing to expand throughout the world. So you can build this opportunity, if you're in one of the 29 countries, which is really, really awesome, because it's just a great opportunity. The thing that I love about QuickSilver is that you're getting a real tangible product in the mail. All right, you're getting silver and gold shipped to you on autopilot every single month, coming directly to your doorstep. All right, and these are assets, right? These are tangible assets that continue to go up in value. So it's not like you're buying product that you don't need. Right? Everybody needs to be stacking silver and or gold. All right. We never know when the monetary system, what could happen with it, if it ever collapses. I mean, the dollar bill is basically worth nothing. We know that it's lost its purchase 96% or 97% of its purchasing power since 1913. And the more money that our government prints, the more undervalued our dollar becomes, right? And silver, particularly, and gold, they've had a solid track record of continuing to go up in value over the years, right? It's been used as money for thousands and thousands of years. Real money, right? I call it God's money. It's from the earth, right? They can't produce more. The government can't make more silver and gold. Right? There's only so much of it here on planet Earth. So as the demand for it rises, so does the value of it. So really, you're exchanging your money now, your fiat currency that isn't backed by anything, that isn't worth anything, for something that's worth something, and something that's going to always be worth something, and something that's always going to continue to go up in value. Right? So it's a product, it's something that everybody needs. Everybody should be stacking silver and or gold and building your investment portfolio, because we never know what's going to happen in the future, especially with our economy and the monetary system as a whole, right? So with that being said, it's a real product. It's something that everybody should have at least a little bit of, right? And if you're not stacking it, now's a good time to start, because the experts are saying that it's going to go on a high run here shortly, right? So it's just going to continue to go up in value. Now with QuickSilver, it's a low startup cost to have your own precious metals business. All right, you can get started for as little as $9.97 a month. That's your wealth platform. That gives you your replicated shop that you can share with others. It gives you a back office. And it gives you the ability to earn commissions 7 different ways by sharing the opportunity with other people. This is all on top of you getting actual silver and or gold in the mail, okay? So you can get your wealth platform for $9.97 a month, and then you have to set up an auto shipment, and that can be as little as $8.97 a month. So for less than $20 a month, not only will you be having silver sent to your door, but you'll have your own wealth platform where you can share the opportunity and get paid 7 different ways. Okay, it's incredible. I mean, it's awesome. Now, we also have an optional marketing system, which I highly recommend if you become a wealth ambassador, because you want to build your own, you want to collect leads, and you want to build a list, and you want to have a system that does all the selling and telling for you, right? So you want a system to where somebody comes into it by entering their name and email and their information and getting put into your system that does all the selling and telling for you, right? That's what you want to do. So with this system, once somebody enters their name and email address, then everything, they're put into the system, and the system does all the follow-up for you, right? It does the selling, it does the telling. It has autoresponders in there, all right? 3 different sets of autoresponders depending on how the person signs up. That goes out, I think it's 14 emails that go out over 7 weeks. And it's super duplicatable. It's easy. Anybody can do this, right? And the coolest part is, this is how easy it is. The company, when you get the marketing system, right, you get a free 7-day trial, and then it's $7.77 a month. You're able to give away free silver, right? Free silver simply for taking a look at our website. So you can get these business cards made up, okay? You can get drop cards that we have, and you give away free silver. All right? It's a no-brainer, folks. I get people opting in every single day because I'm sharing the free silver offer. Okay? And the majority of people that come in for the free silver, they end up joining as a wealth ambassador. All right? Some of them join as a preferred customer. It just doesn't get any easier. It's super duplicatable. It's a duplicatable system, and it's a branded marketing system for QuickSilver. So all you have to do is do videos like I do. And if you don't like doing videos like I do, then you can do, post content on social media. You can do direct mail. All right, here's another stack of letters going out today. You can have the business cards or the drop cards, like I just showed you. I mean, there's literally a countless number of ways you can share this opportunity with other people, right? And it just doesn't get any easier than offering somebody something for free, a free silver bar, right? They pay shipping, but it's like $2.74 if you live in the United States. They pay the shipping, and the system does all the work, you know? There's no special skills required. Anybody can do this. Everybody should be doing, stacking silver and or gold. And, I think they just have the perfect business model for the work from home space. It just doesn't get any better than this. And to be able to earn up to 7 different ways is incredible. I mean, the compensation plan, first of all, it is, anybody can read this, okay? You don't have, and understand it. You don't have to be a lawyer to comprehend it. It's very straightforward. Just on one of the ways, you can earn up to $25,000 a month. All right. Now, I can't guarantee you'll make anything if you join, because it's all dependent on your work ethic. And most people, they don't take any action when they join opportunities for whatever reason. But for the action takers and the people who really want to grow a business on top of stacking, it can be very lucrative. Just one of the ways you can earn up to $25,000 a month. And that's not including the 6 other ways that you can earn from this. So the sky's the limit with QuickSilver. I think they have the perfect business model, and it's something that I'm going to keep sharing with everybody because I really love the opportunity. And I also love the fact that they take part of the profits and they go and they feed starving children. Okay? So it's one of those feel-good companies where, you can feel proud about sharing the opportunity. It's a solid, tangible asset that you're getting, that you're receiving, and you're helping feed starving children, right? It doesn't get any better than that. So If you're ready to start your silver stacking journey, you can go to silverstackingempire.com, right? silverstackingempire.com. Check out the website, get a free piece of silver, and reach out to me if you have any questions, all right? I'm here to help you out. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Today's Tina's birthday, actually, so we just went out for breakfast, and now we're here at the soap shop for just maybe an hour or so. And then we're going to go do a few other things, and then tonight we have our the state fair starts right here in our area, so we're going to go to that and check that out. So yeah, it's going to be a great day. I hope you have a great day as well. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you do find value in this or any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. That helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So, and feel free to share this with somebody else. You know, maybe you're not interested in QuickSilver. You might know somebody who is looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. Feel free to share this with them. I appreciate it, okay? So have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.